Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Immuta for governed analytics access control, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Immuta for governed analytics access control, start by logging into your Immuta account. Once logged in, navigate to the Data Sources tab within the main dashboard. Click on the data source you want to manage access for. Review the current access policies associated with the data source. Next, select the Access Controls option. Here, you will see existing access rules and configurations. To create a new access rule, click on the Add Rule button. In the rule creation interface, specify the user group you want to grant access to. Assign the appropriate permissions for that user group. You can choose from options like read, write, or admin access. After defining permissions, click on the Conditions section. Here, set the specific conditions under which the permissions will apply. You can use attributes or roles to refine your access conditions. Once the conditions are configured, review your settings for accuracy. If everything looks good, hit the Save button to apply the new rule. Return to the Access Controls page to ensure your new rule is listed. Test the access policy by logging in with a user from the designated group. Make sure they can access the data as intended based on the new rule. If you encounter any issues, revisit your settings to troubleshoot. Consider documenting your access rules for future reference. Regularly review and update your access policies as necessary. Engaging with your data governance team can enhance your configuration efforts. Finally, keep an eye on access logs for compliance and auditing purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.